Alright, if you're wondering how to change your or take off your spare tire from a Ford Maverick, put these two pipes together. Along with that, you find all these behind your back rear seats. Just put them together, slide that in the hole, and start turning. Twist it, and then it slowly drops. Once the wheel's on the ground, give it a little more. You can pull it out, and I'll let you do it. Slide the blue cap out. And then put the metal through the center of the wheel and pull it out. And then switch them out. And now start turning it the opposite way to get it to come back up. Now twist the other way and the cable will bring it up.